I'm so excited to be gifted this crochet box for review. I haven't opened it yet, so let's take a look inside. So we're gonna open it and look, so cute. Look at this yarn. This yarn is so, oh look, it comes and the first round is already done for you. That's so helpful because when you are a beginner crocheter, one of the hardest things is just getting the first row done. So this is excellent. I love that. This yarn is very soft. It's a tube yarn, and that'll be really great because you'll be able to see your stitch definition. Here, you see how these are V's on the top? That is always the top of the stitch. You'll be able to see it so easily with this type of yarn. You have your stitch markers to help you know where you are. Some more of the same yarn. This is a white color, whitish creamish color. Let's see what's in here. And here we have safety eyes and some yarn. Oh, there's the other safety eye in here. And a couple of yarn needles. Oh, these are nice yarn needles. I was looking for a good yarn needle. The other safety eye is in there too. This is a CrochetBox card, and it tells you how to download an app. Well, this is an Amazon app. I don't know, they probably want to review. Comes with the crochet hook right there and the stuffing. What else is in here? Oops. Let's see. Basic instructions. Oh, look, it's color coded. Look at all these stitch tutorials it has. There's a QR code to access your beginner videos, and then lots of detailed instructions on making a magic ring, slip stitching, double crochet, all the things that you're going to need, closing the ball that you're going to need to learn. And this is what you're going to make. How cute is that? It's so, so cute. It's a little yak. Hello, Sabs. Here we have the beginner stitches and the learn to crochet. That's for more kits. So if you don't know how to do all these stitches, there's videos, and I've looked at them, and they're actually really easy to follow, clearly defined. I can't show you them, and I can't show you the password because then you'd have free access because it's part of what you buy with the kit. But these are very good directions. And then here is the pattern. It tells you what's included, the whole pattern for how to do the whole thing. The hook has got a good ergonomic design, tells you the size of it so you know what you're dealing with. Let's get it in there and try it. So let's put 2 single crochets in the same stitch here and see how it goes. It's a very smooth hook. Nothing is catching, and it's going around quite nicely. It's the right exact size for this yarn. It's not having a problem picking up the yarn and pulling it through. So I think this is a great quality kit, especially for a beginner. It's got a great hook. This yarn is going to be so soft and so easy to work with. I'm so excited to make it. If you need a beginner crochet kit and you like a yak, I highly suggest you try this kit out.